Hey Money Magnets, are you ready to start an LLC and get an EIN number fast? Well, no worries. We're going to show you how to jumpstart a new business.
Look, in just a few steps, we're going to show you how to start a business in any state.
Marvin, let's take them over to the computer so we can show you how to get that new business going.
Let's dive into it. All right, guys, now we got to choose the business structure that you want. A lot of people get confused over this and there's several choices. And look, what I love about this website, you're able to actually dig into whether you want a sole proprietor, a partnership, a LLC, or a corporation. And guess what? I almost forgot about even a nonprofit.
Marvin, that's the wonderful thing about it. You know, a lot of times we start businesses and we don't understand why we should set up an LLC.
That's true.
And this right here is the perfect tool to help you understand what type of business entity you're trying to set up.
Yeah, because like you said, this could affect you when it comes to taxes. So it's important to read these guides and even consult a lawyer if you have to make sure you pick the right structure or a tax professional.
Okay, Money Magnets, not only does this help you start a business, but it also helps you create a business plan. That right there, Marvin, that's a cash flow changer for you.
Yeah, and I think most of the time people take business plans way too far in the beginning. Start off with just a simple plan of writing questions down, like what am I selling? Who's buying? How do I connect with buyers? What are my costs and how do I charge? Keep it simple in the beginning just with these few questions, and then let's move to the next step.
Okay, Money Magnets, let's dive into this. Okay, so when you want to set up this business, it's $39 plus whatever the state fees are.
Exactly.
You can't beat that.
No. And look, it's going to help you with fast company filing for your LLC or your corporation. You get a 1 year free of a registered agent service, free domain, website, email, and business phone, business address with free mail forwarding, state and federal compliance filing, comprehensive legal forms library, and a privacy by default. I mean, you can't beat this for $39. And then you got to pay your state fees depending on where you want to start your business.
Okay, Marvin, let's dive into the registered agent. Every time you set up an LLC or a business, you need a registered agent.
Definitely.
And what this company does, it explains to you why you need the registered agent and they can supply that for you, which is really important.
And it keeps up with the yearly filings. A lot of us as business owners forget that, and then you let the company get administratively dissolved. That's not a good look when it comes to borrowing money.
Most definitely. That right there can cost you $50,000 to $100,000 very easily.
When going for a loan. Yeah, definitely.
So the name of this company is Northwest Registered Agents.
Yeah.
It's only $39 and it has all of these amazing benefits that can help you jumpstart your business.
Yes, and you can start a business in any state, including Puerto Rico. And look, Hawaii, we actually had to use them to set up our LLC in Puerto Rico. I thought I could do it myself, and I realized quickly that I wasn't able to. And then they provide a lot of filing services. You know, they can help you no matter what type of business you have. You can stay compliant. And even if you set up an age corporation, which if you don't want to set up a new one, make sure you contact Gloria and we can help you guys get an age corporation, which gets you closer to getting that money.
Exactly. It gives you the 2 years that you will possibly need to get funded.
Yeah.
Okay, Marvin, now that we've told them about Northwest Registered Agents, let's do a quick recap on some of the additional benefits that they have.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay, so they have several different types of filing services. Keep that in mind. They incorporate, they do nonprofits, they help you stay compliant, and they do foreign qualifications.
Also, you know, for your business identity, they can help you get a website, get a professional email, set up your domain. They help you with a phone service in case you need to set that up as well.
Yeah, Marvin. And one of the biggest things that we run into with businesses, they don't have a professional email.
Yeah.
And they can help you with that. When we say professional, we don't mean like gmail.com.
Right.
We mean like your company name in your email address. You know, banks are now starting to go a lot they're looking at that a lot nowadays, as well as your website. These things truly show that you are a legitimate business.
Yeah, and even if you needed help with mail forwarding to get your mail, a virtual office, even a trademark if your business needs that. And lastly, and mainly, you get an EIN number.
Marvin, one of the things that I love is that they work with nonprofits.
Yeah.
Nowadays it's so expensive to get a nonprofit started and the paperwork is so complex.
Yes.
But guess what? Northwest agents can help you get your nonprofit started.
And we actually do business with them. If you guys have any experience with Northwest, please leave comments below. And if you don't have a business or thinking about starting a business, share this video with someone that may need it.
Hold on, Marvin. I have a gym.
Okay.
So guys, let's talk about Gloria's Gym. So we talked about, getting a shelf corp. Marvin and I offer shelf corps as well. But if you don't want to do a shelf corp and you undecided on what business you want to go into, you can also go ahead, get the business started and leave it sitting until you're ready to start business.
Yeah.
That's what we did with the restaurant. That's why we talk about funding all the time.
Right.
And that's why I was able to raise all the capital that Marvin and I needed to jumpstart our restaurant, because I started that business in 2016.
Correct.
And then in 2018, that's when we decided to open up the restaurant. So we were already sitting for 2 years and had a bank account, and the bank was willing to give us more money.
Exactly. So if you need a shelf corp, make sure you contact us. Gloria and I just started a brand new community. If you guys want to get involved, check the links in the description below. And look, we got a mentorship in case you need a little guidance. If you need more money for your startup business, check out this next video. I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.